A trip to hospital can be painful, but as Dr. Randy Martin explains, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta is trying to change that.
When children come to us, we want them to remember what we did to help them in the hospital, not to remember how scared they were or how much they hurt.
Every year, nearly 400,000 sick and injured children come to Children's Healthcare of Atlanta for treatment. And while the doctors and nurses' primary focus is on healing, the child's fear of pain from either the illness or the treatment can be overwhelming.
And we also know from research that's being done at the moment that pain is not good. There are very severe physiologic, immediate physiologic consequences to pain.
We're going to take this bandit off.
So here at Children, a special emphasis is placed on asking children not only where does it hurt, but how much does it hurt. Charts with different facial expressions help to measure pain in older children, and for infants, there are pain behavior scales.
Children get pain scores when they first come in as a baseline, and what we try to explain to them is that they're helping us know how much they're hurting.
Knowing how much pain a child is having is just the first part of the Healing Without Hurting program here at Children's. There are now ways to lower the pain that's associated with treatments and thereby reduce the child's fear and stress. This can be behavioral modification that really harnesses the child's imagination and lets them deal with painful or frightening procedures. There's also medication and anesthetic creams that really make needle sticks less painful and help the scared child.
It was amazing. Jeremy didn't feel a thing.
Karen Sally's son Jeremy came to Children's with what's known as a pulled elbow. It's like a dislocated elbow. Jeremy's mom says that he was in a lot of pain and was very afraid of the needle.
The needle that they used was such a tiny needle. He didn't even know when it had gone in, when the prick had gone in. And immediately he started to feel better.
That's the commitment of our program, to as much as possible and whenever possible, heal without hurting.
For Channel 2 Action News, I'm Dr. Randy Martin.
Funds from the Festival of Trees will help support the pain management program. Now, every kid loves to play with Legos, but imagine growing up as an adult to play with Legos and build something like this. Channel 2's Richard Elliott explains.